This is lobsters. They're swimming. They're the both of them.
They're at the bottom.
Yes, super bottom.
There, Kuya Peter's gonna show you. When he is opening, show the plastic bag.
Ayun. Ayun.
Kini lang last.
Ayun. He's gonna take out it. Hello, Kuya Peter!
Hi.
Show mo daw sa akin yung lobster.
Ito.
Oh. Sige, ipaba lang. Pagtanggal. Diyan lang, diyan ka lang.
I'll show you the lobster.
Here, come here.
Tignan mo na ako yung lobster.
Ayan na.
There's the lobster.
There they are.
Ayun.
They're crawling now. They're crawling.
Oh.
Tell them.
Oh.
Wow. Looky.
Murang isa.
Dami nila!
Ayan pa, oh.
Sorry, Ma. I have to.
Ayan.
Yan, sir. Look.
Ayun. Nakita ko sa video.
Go the other way, not like that. Yan. Better. See? Oh, they're crawling. Woohoo! Goodbye.
Goodbye, matey.
Bye, mateys. See you next time, mateys.
Bakit ayaw yung lumabas?
Ayan na. Yahoo!
Yahoo! Yahoo!
They're having so much fun exploring the water.
Exploring. The lobster. Lobster. Pretty, so pretty. I didn't make a good video
Why?
because I covered my hands.
Here?